Welcome to CHAMPS Training. In this training video, we're going to look at several ways to generate work orders from PM. So here we are on our PM browse. Let's go ahead and edit a PM. And you'll notice at the top, if you have the correct access rights, you will be able to model work orders, PMs, and job plans from a particular PM document. So this PM is set up nicely as a template, or you want to generate work from it. So in this case, we would want to generate a work order, and so we could click the model work order icon. Now, there's an important option that we're going to be asked about. Do you want to model a new work order from this PM? Yes or no? And do we want to allow PM update, even more importantly? If we uncheck this box, then we're going to have a work order created that is just based on this PM as a template, and it's not going to be connected to the PM. It's just a one-shot deal. Go take care of it, and it's finished. If we leave this checkbox checked, then that work order is going to make changes to this PM in reference to its next due dates and when it's supposed to be taken care of again. Another way that we can accomplish basically this same function is on the Task on Demand page. Here we have a list of available PMs, and we can select the PMs that we want to generate. We've got a couple filters to narrow our search, and then we can use the Task on Demand icon to generate those PMs and get the same prompts. The third method that we're going to discuss is the PM due list, which is probably your most powerful. Let's just take a look at an existing due list to see how it's set up. Here we've got a date range that we're looking at, just about a week's worth of PMs, and we could set up some additional filters if we want to just look at things for a specific piece of equipment or department or crew, something like that. On the PM Forecast tab, this one has already had its list generated. You can regenerate the list if you update your filters. And here it's looking at the next due dates within the range that was selected and giving us a list of PMs that we can generate all at once that need to be work. There's also the option to cancel PMs. And as you can see, occasionally the PM will already have a work order associated to it, and that might be listed out in the comments. And that some PMs are going to be automatically canceled because you've already got work and you've set them up to be a particular cycle of PM. So if there's work, it's not going to make more work until what is out there has been completed. So once you've got your list all set up the way you want it, then we can go to the Generate Work Orders tab, we'll click the Generate Work Orders icon, and any PM that was not checked as being canceled that was in that PM forecast list will be generated into work that, as it is done, will update the next due date on the PM, and there you go. So that's 3 ways that we can generate work orders from PMs using CHAMPS.